Intestinal worms. What you need to know to stay healthy. Have you ever felt unexplained fatigue or stomach discomfort and wondered what's going on? It might surprise you, but intestinal worms could be the hidden culprits. Don't worry. This video will break down everything you need to know about these tiny invaders and how to protect yourself. Intestinal worms, or parasites, are organisms that live in your digestive system, feeding off your nutrients. They may sound scary, but they're more common than you think. From tapeworms to hookworms, these tiny intruders can enter the body through contaminated food, water, or even soil. Though they often go unnoticed at first, these parasites can cause significant health issues if left unchecked. But the good news? With the right actions, you can treat or even prevent these infections entirely. Intestinal worms don't just appear out of nowhere. They're usually transmitted through poor sanitation or hygiene. Unwashed fruits and vegetables, undercooked meat, and drinking polluted water are common ways these parasites sneak into our systems. Another surprising source? Walking barefoot on contaminated soil. If you're in areas where sanitation is poor, worms like hookworms or roundworms can find their way in through your skin. Worried you might have a worm problem? Some symptoms are harder to spot than others. You might feel general fatigue, weakness, or abdominal pain. Other common signs include nausea, changes in appetite, and even unexplained weight loss. In severe cases, you might notice worms or their eggs in your stool. It's not a pretty thought, but it's a signal your body may need attention. Blood tests or stool samples can confirm the diagnosis for a clearer picture. Here's the good news. Intestinal worms are typically treatable. Antiparasitic medications prescribed by a doctor effectively eliminate most worm infections. Treatments are straightforward and often just involve taking pills over a few days. It is crucial, however, to complete the full course of treatment. Skipping doses could allow the worms to survive and come back stronger. And remember, always consult a healthcare professional before self-diagnosing or treating. They say prevention is better than cure, and when it comes to intestinal worms, that's spot on. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water, especially before eating or preparing food. Keep your nails short to avoid trapping dirt or worm eggs. When it comes to food, ensure meat is fully cooked, wash produce carefully, and filter or boil any drinking water if clean sources aren't available. And if you're traveling to countries with limited sanitation, take extra precautions, including avoiding walking barefoot. Millions of people worldwide, often in developing areas, are affected by intestinal parasites. These infections can impact not only your health, but overall quality of life. You're not just protecting yourself by staying informed, you're also helping spread awareness within your community. Simple hygiene habits and education about worm prevention can save lives. Whether it's small gestures like washing hands or teaching children about health, these actions make all the difference. Now that you know the types, symptoms, and prevention of intestinal worms, it's time to act. Think about your daily habits. Are there areas where you could improve hygiene or food safety to stay worm-free? Small changes can lead to major health benefits. If you suspect an infection, don't hesitate to see a healthcare provider. Spread the word by sharing this video with friends or family to keep everyone around you safe and informed. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. Take the first step today